So I have 1 pound here. I'm going to show you 2 methods. This is Dove. I would recommend getting a stoneware to first start out. It's going to be easier, going to be more malleable for you. But I'm going to show you 2 methods of wedging. One is going to be what I call a cone head method, and the other one's called ram's head. Cone head makes a cone, ram's head makes kind of a ram's head shape, hence their names. I prefer the cone because it helps me get bigger pieces. If you start going really big, like 4, 5, 6, 10, 20 pounds, where ram's head gets a little harder, but some people like ram's head. So try them both and see which one you like and kind of just practice that for a long time. This is an important step of throwing. It helps align the particles, it helps get out air bubbles. This is important, this is vital. It's like learning to take a step before running. So to do a cylindrical method, or the cone head method, you're gonna push on the outside like I did there, and you're gonna bring it up, and where that kind of comes down, you're gonna push down on it and do the same motion and push out and just kind of rotate it. This is easier to do on a plaster board. If you can pick up one of those, I just do it on my wheel head, or you can even do it on a piece of wood that doesn't have wood shavings will come off. So that's cylindrical. You can see I can kind of get a cone. I personally then put it upside down, and I am ready to throw. Ram's head is an even pressure 2-handed method. So you're gonna come here and you're gonna push down with both hands, up and around. Down with both hands, up and around. So this one's a little easier to learn right away because it's an even method. If you've ever kneaded dough, this is you'll hear some people call it kneading. You'll see after a while, I'll kind of get a ram's head shape. It's a little dry, so it's cracking on me. But you can kind of see it starts to kind of form a ram's head shape like that, or a heart even like that one. But make it into a ball. After you're done wedging, do it like 10 to 20 times. Normally, practice this a ton right now. Your piece starts drying out, throw a little water on your hands and keep going. Throw it on the wheel, and then we'll start on centering after this.